Nobody expected what Palantir did today. Price dipped, but quickly rebounded. The atmosphere is bullish. But something weird happened today. Politicians just changed the entire script for Palantir. Analysts are dropping massive bombshells. Palantir price might 5x soon. How? Well, Elon Musk might have the answer. What is happening? And what on earth am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Palantir just showed everyone who's boss in the AI stock game. Its price took a bit of a dip, cooling off to around $116 per share. But that didn't last long. In just a few hours, it came roaring back, climbing fast and even touching the $120 range again. It was a wild ride, with the stock refusing to stay down for long. Eventually, it found some balance, settling around $119, but not before proving that it's got some serious momentum behind it. For a brief moment, investors were panicking, watching Palantir dip and wondering if the hype was fading. But then, boom, it shot right back up, flipping the entire mood in an instant. Now, everyone's feeling insanely bullish. Even analysts are throwing out big signals, hyping up what's next. One Twitter analyst even went all in, predicting that Palantir will eventually hit something massive. The analyst is saying that Palantir is headed for $500, and honestly, not many people get it. Most investors are more focused on other stocks that are cheaper, celebrating when they see a quick 60% gain after those stocks took a huge dive, like a 75% drop from their all-time highs. They like to point to things like the PE ratio and act like they're geniuses for sticking with those stocks. Meanwhile, they're quick to label Palantir as too expensive because of its higher price tag. But here's the thing. Those who are diving into Palantir are the ones actually making money. It's not about playing it safe with the cheap options. It's about recognizing the value and potential in something that's still growing, even if it doesn't fit the typical mold. Palantir might be expensive to some, but for those who understand it, it's a real winner. Another analyst stepped in with an even clearer prediction, saying that Palantir's path to $200 is becoming more obvious. They're also seeing a $600 billion market cap in the near future. It's like the pieces are finally starting to fall into place for Palantir. As it continues to grow, the potential for these numbers is becoming less of a stretch and more of a real possibility. Investors are starting to see that this isn't just hype. It's a company on the rise, slowly but surely making its way to some huge milestones. Of course, not everyone is on the Palantir hype train. There's always another side to the story, and some people are still convinced that Palantir is just another bubble waiting to burst. One Twitter analyst even went as far as saying that, in his 24 years of trading, he's never seen a stock more overvalued than Palantir right now. He really doesn't hold back, calling its $270 billion market cap pure insanity. For him, the price tag just doesn't match the company's current performance or what it's really worth. It's a bold take, but it's a perspective that's still floating around the market. Here's the thing, though. This might not matter all that much. Something pretty big just came out today that could change everything. It's been reported that politicians keep buying Palantir stocks. In fact, just today, one of them picked up another solid chunk of Palantir shares. Representative Marjorie Taylor Greene from Georgia also jumped in. She's on the Homeland Security Committee and has now become the fourth politician to buy into Palantir. What's wild is that just 2 weeks ago, not a single politician had touched Palantir stock. This is huge for Palantir. When politicians start buying into a stock, it's a strong signal, especially considering the timing. Politicians are typically cautious with their investments, and they often have inside knowledge or access to information that the public doesn't. So when we see a few of them picking up Palantir, it raises a lot of questions. Could they know something big is coming for the company? If this trend continues, it could definitely give Palantir a boost. More politicians buying in could signal growing confidence, not just in the company, but in its future potential. Their moves could even spark interest from other investors, creating a snowball effect that pushes the stock price up. Whether it's a new contract or a partnership with the government, something is likely in the works. The fact that so many political figures are getting involved right now feels like a bullish sign, and the market might react to this newfound interest soon. Either way, it's hard to ignore. Palantir is looking like a stock to watch. Here's something pretty wild that just popped up. South Korea is about to buy 10,000 GPUs to build a national AI computing center. They'll drop more details like the exact models and the budget by September, but the scale of this is huge. Now, here's where it gets interesting for Palantir. One analyst pointed out something pretty clever. What do you think South Korea will do with all the data they'll collect from this 10,000 GPU setup? Are they just going to watch it on a screen and call it a day? No way. They're likely going to use it to build something powerful that helps make smart decisions faster. This could really play into Palantir's hands, especially if they get involved in turning all that data into something useful. It's definitely a big move that could boost Palantir's position, especially with so many powerful GPUs coming online. Hold up. There's an even bigger announcement today. Elon Musk has just revealed Grok 3, the latest version of X's AI, and it's already causing a stir. Grok 3 is the new brainchild of Musk's AI startup, xAI, and it's being called the smartest AI on Earth. With its power more than 10 times stronger than the previous version, Grok 3 is aiming to take on some of the biggest players in AI. Musk is positioning this as a serious competitor to some of the biggest names out there. This isn't just a regular upgrade. Grok 3 is part of Musk's bigger plan to challenge the dominance of some of the top AI companies out there. It's definitely a game changer, and it shows Musk is all in on the AI arms race. This is huge for Palantir, especially considering what we already know about their involvement with Grok. Palantir's ontology system has been working closely with Grok before, and with the unveiling of Grok 3, this connection could take things to a whole new level. If Grok 3 really is as powerful as it's being described, Palantir stands to benefit big time from this partnership. Palantir's strength lies in turning complex data into actionable insights, and Grok 3 could be a massive boost to that capability. With Grok 3's enhanced computing power, it could help process and analyze data at a level that's way beyond what we've seen before. Imagine Palantir's system working hand in hand with Grok 3's next-gen AI to create even smarter, faster decision-making tools. This could mean a lot for the future, whether it's unlocking new applications for Palantir's technology or forming new partnerships that can expand their reach. As Musk continues to push Grok 3 as a competitor to the biggest AI players, Palantir could be right there, using the AI to enhance their own systems and potentially bring new innovations to the table. It's definitely a promising development for both companies, and the possibilities could be pretty exciting as this partnership evolves. This is a relationship to keep an eye on, as it could lead to some serious breakthroughs in the AI space. Here's the real twist. There are talks swirling online that Palantir might be about to secure a major contract with none other than Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency. When you factor in all the recent actions from politicians buying up Palantir stock and the big Grok updates today, it starts to feel like something big is on the horizon. Could all this buzz be the lead-up to that rumored contract deal? It definitely seems like the stars are aligning. If Palantir does land this contract, it would be massive for the company. Not only would it solidify Palantir's role in the tech and government sectors, but it would also create a huge ripple of confidence among investors. The excitement around such a deal could send the stock price skyrocketing, and given the current momentum, it wouldn't be too wild to imagine Palantir reaching that $500 mark sooner than expected. This contract would open up a whole new chapter for Palantir, potentially boosting its capabilities and reach. With all the pieces in place, politicians backing the stock, new AI updates, and a potential partnership with Musk's government efficiency project, things are looking incredibly bullish. The anticipation alone could trigger a surge in stock price, with investors jumping in to get a piece of the action. If Palantir is able to capitalize on these opportunities, we might see its price soar to heights that, just a few months ago, seemed out of reach. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Palantir update might make you lose money. So, don't risk it. Also,
artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword. It's a rapidly evolving reality. Imagine looking back 5 years from now and realizing you missed out on the greatest technological wave of our time. Not a pleasant thought, right? So, let's not miss a second of our time and get straight to the point. Disclaimer: as technology keeps getting better, two big things are becoming really important: artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency. They're like a super team, changing how things work and getting a lot of attention worldwide. But why are people so interested in this mix of AI and cryptocurrency? Well, It's because it's going to change the future in big ways. Picture a world where computer programs not only buy and sell money online, but also learn from how the market behaves, adjust to changes, and make quick decisions way faster than humans can. It's not just something you see in movies. It's happening right now. In 2024, AI and cryptocurrency together are exciting for a few reasons. First, they promise to make trading money online way faster and more accurate, which could totally change how financial markets work. Second, since cryptocurrency isn't controlled by one big group and AI can understand huge amounts of information, they can team up to find new ways to stop cheating, manage risks, and do lots of other cool stuff. And here's the really interesting part. I can help predict what's going to happen with cryptocurrency prices, which is making how people invest their money change a lot. With computers quickly looking at the world, I can help predict what's going to happen with cryptocurrency prices, looking at tons of information. It's giving both experienced investors and newbies more chances to do well in the market. And here's something you should understand. In the sea of AI projects, many are just hype. But the one I stumbled upon before making this video is different. It's not just talk. It actually solves a real problem. And not just for a few people. It could help the entire crypto world. This project stands out because it focuses on solving real problems. While some AI projects are all flash and no substance, it looks like this one is the real deal. It shows that real innovation doesn't need fancy words or big promises. It just needs to solve problems that matter. But what project am I talking about? Well, the name is AlgoWave. It is a project that aims to shake things up in the world of cryptocurrency. Their website boldly declares their vision to change how people deal with crypto by giving them easy-to-use, AI-powered tools that cut through all the confusing stuff in decentralized finance. Their mission is straightforward. AlgoWave wants to give traders the power to succeed in today's fast-paced digital market. They're all about providing the right tools and support to help traders thrive. And how do they plan to do this? Through their AI-driven Algo Wallet and a bunch of other clever products and services. They want to make managing your investment simpler and trading more exciting for everyone involved. At the heart of the AlgoWave project lies their automated all-trading bots. These bots are the key to unlocking your success in trading. They use the latest AI technology to handle the trading process. They're also the tricky bits of the crypto market for you, constantly analyzing and adjusting in real time. These bots make trades with accuracy, giving you the chance to grab opportunities day and night without you having to watch over them all the time. Powered by smart algorithms and supported by the Algo token, these bots make sure your trades happen smoothly, pushing your investments towards bigger profits and success. And one big advantage of using AI bots instead of relying solely on humans, especially those who aren't experienced, is the ability to trade with them. They have the ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. While humans can get overwhelmed or make mistakes, AI bots can analyze market trends, news, and other factors much faster and with greater precision. This means they can spot opportunities or risks that humans might miss. And they can make split-second decisions without any emotional biases getting in the way.